Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jagger Hunter token. Ticker symbol is Jagger, Jager. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain that just got a very big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got a very big central exchange listing on the 5th. So 2 days ago, 16 hours UTC time, this token became available on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you are looking to get the Jagger token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Jager, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, you can find this token on BSC Scan. If you're looking for the price and the market cap and the holders and all the statistical information, they have 148,400 holders. That is a lot of holders. 18 decimal places and a max total supply of a lot of tokens as well. So that's a million, billion, trillion, 14.6 quadrillion tokens. That is a lot of tokens. Now, the chart is most likely available here on Dex Screener and Dex Tools. If you just take the contract address from their BSC scan and you copy paste it, put it into the chart site, then the chart should pop up there as well. There it is right there. So it says here they have a market cap of $19.6 million. Very big project. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.5 million. On Dex Screener, you can also find their Telegram, Twitter, webpage. They have $1.2 million worth of liquidity in PancakeSwap. Now, their webpage is Jagger.meme, and their Telegram is Jagger_BSC. And they have 4,369 members on the Telegram. 1,116 of them are online. It says, welcome back to the BSC Summer. Jagger is the ticker symbol. If you want to join the chat with other community members, discuss the project, talk about the token, that is a great place to do so on the Telegram. Now, they have on their webpage, if you pull up Jagger.meme, it says, do you believe in the truth? And then you can either click don't believe or only trust BNB. And I'm assuming that they want you to click only trust BNB. And then it has a spot at the top of the screen where you can connect your wallet. There is an airdrop section, tokenomics, all sorts of links at the top. So it says, what is Jagger? A Jagger token is the smallest unit of BNB. 1 Jagger equals 0.00000001 BNB. I could be pronouncing it wrong. Could be Jagger, like Jager bombs. That's exactly how it's spelled, but I've never heard somebody pronounce this specific token. So it could be Jagger Hunter for all I know. It could be like pronounced like jalapeno. Actually, jalapeno is an H. That's kind of weird. Jalapeno starts with a J. Jalapeno starts with a Jagger starts with a J, pronounced with a Y. Confusing. Anyways, the name Jagger was proposed by Binance's earliest supporters in its Telegram during a group during the exchange's founding days, and they have a reference link where you could go check that out. Inspired by that legacy, the meme coin Jagger is here. So basically, Satoshis are units of Bitcoin, so they're saying the Jaggers are units of the BNB. No time for more explanation before BNB pumps to 100K. That'd be nice if you own some. Become a Jagger hunter. Be part of the revolution and do your own research. So it says the total supply, we already went over that. Now, how the tokens are allocated, 90.5% goes to airdrops. The claim period for the Jagger token airdrop is only 7 days. Unclaimed tokens will be added as Jagger BNB LP farming rewards. 4% of the tokens are reserved for central exchange listings. 5.4% of the tokens are dedicated to partnerships, marketing, and 0.1% initial liquidity pool. Now they have a roadmap. The roadmap just says believe in BNB. That's pretty funny. So besides that, you can get this token here off of PancakeSwap. It looks like it's also available on different chains. They have links here to Ethereum Solana. But if you want to get the BNB version here, it said there's 5% tax too as well. So just be aware of that. You can get it off PancakeSwap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could download a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or a Coinbase wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with BSC. Now, you fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with BSC. You would go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap. Then using the contract address you could find at Jagger.meme, you would then trade your BSC for this token. It says 5% tax is applied for every transaction. It says, note, the tax rate is 10% during the first 14 days. And so that's obviously over. So that's to stop pump and dumps. So that's kind of a good strategy. It says, no lock, no stake, just hodl, hunter's paradise, never sleeps. So besides PancakeSwap, you can get it off Mexc as of a couple days ago. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.